Jigsaw.
Joy.
What makes you joyful?
I feel joy when I'm playing with my dog Alfie. He's always happy to see me and he loves it when I stroke his head. Inclusion. What's good about making people feel included?
It's great to include others so we can figure out the world together and do things like climbing trees.
Give.
Give. How do we give to others?
We can give to our friends by helping them out, or spending time with them, or sharing our toys and food.
Sleep.
Why do we need enough sleep?
Sleep recharges your brain and helps your body to grow. Active.
What do you do to be active?
I like to play outside with my friends.
I like to run really fast. Wow. What makes you say wow?
My mum said wow when I did a drawing of me and my friend riding on the back of a dinosaur in my dream. Jigsaw. Find your missing piece.